Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. First of all, thanks for being in my YouTube channel. So now our topic is square roots. So see what is actually square. The square definition is the product of two same numbers. The product of any two same numbers we can call it as square. We can call it as the product of two same numbers. We can call it as square. See now 3 into 3. Here both are same numbers, product of same number. That becomes 3 square. 4 into 4, it is equals to 4 square. Now 5 into 5 equals to 5 square. So actually what is the square? Square means product of two same numbers. Product of two same numbers, you can call it as square. So how we will represent the square root? So we will represent the square root by this symbol. Okay, square root will be represented by this symbol. So for suppose this is root 3. For suppose this is square root of 4. This is square root of 9. Square root of 25. Okay, in this way we will represent the square root. So now how to find a square? Whether if the one number is given, whether it is a square or not, how we will find? See here, for suppose 26 is given, whether it is a perfect square or not, how we will find this? So you do the division. 2 13s, so here it will know. Okay, right? So we can't can we say this 26 is a square, perfect square? No. So here only that multiples are 2 into 13, it becomes 26. So what is a square? Actually, what is the definition of square? Square definition is product of two numbers, product of two same numbers, right? So here product of two different numbers is here, so we cannot say this as a square. We cannot say it as a square. Okay, so moving forward, some we will see some patterns in squares. See now, I'm going to draw one figure here. Okay, so this is square, right? Right, it is square. Now one more square I need to draw. So one more square I need. Okay, it is also one more square. Okay, for example purpose I am drawing this just to see. So some patterns in the squares. Yeah, now so here we need to get 4 into 4, sorry. Fine, right? Okay, now see here, this is the one region. So now here this is what, one first box, and these are how many boxes are here? This pattern I need to know. This pattern 1 2 3. Okay, so next one here, this is a pattern. See now, just observe it, that's it. Yeah, right, now write the numbers here. It is 1, it is 3, it is 5, right? Here one box, one square. Here how many squares are there? 1, 2, 3 squares. Here how many squares? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 squares. Okay, it's enough completed. Now, so it is here one box plus 3 boxes plus, count this one, how many boxes are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next extra, how many boxes are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 plus 7. Okay, now we will add this. What we will get here? 4. We will add this. What we will get here? It is 9, right? What we will get here? It is total, how many squares are here? Total 16, right? Yeah, 16 squares. So without counting, how we will say directly? Now I here counting, right? Here now I am counting here. 3 plus 1, 2. Here 1 plus 3, 5. 1 plus 3, 5. 5 plus, sorry, 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 5, 9. So here 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 7, 16. So in that manner I counted. But how can we say directly? Yes, we can say directly by here how many? 1 digit, 2 digit. So one number, two number. So then we can directly say that 2 square. Here 1, 2, 3. 3 terms, that means 3 square. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. It is nothing but 4 square. So you can say directly. So here 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus, all odd numbers are here, right? 11 plus 13. So can you say the sum without adding them? So yes, I can say the sum without adding them. How can I say? Here it is one term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term, sixth term, seventh term. So it is nothing but 7 square. That is nothing but 49. Are you getting? So this is a pattern in squares. What does this mean? This is a pattern. So it is a pattern in square. You can try for any type of square. Okay, pattern in squares. Okay, right. So let us move to the another concept, that is one more pattern. So that is, see now, 11 square we can write as 121. If you do the multiplication, you will get the same answer. 1 1 plus 1 2 1 1 2 1. So next, 11 square, sorry, 111 square. If you do the multiplication, so here 1 2, here 3, here 2, here 1. You're observing one pattern is getting, we are getting one pattern. So what is the pattern here? How many ones are here? 3, right? So you should write up to 3, 1 2 3, and again go here, increase the right number, then again decrease it to 1. So here 1 2 3, 3 2 1, then your answer is completed. Or suppose take the 4 ones, that is nothing but 1111 square. It becomes 1 2 3 4 3 2 1. So this is the middle number. Middle number means how many ones we have, how many digits we have. So that is this number. Okay, understood? So this is one pattern. So for suppose if we go for here 10,000, sorry, 11 10,000 11,111. That is nothing but, here how many ones are there? 1 2 3 4 5. So your pattern should be 1 2 3 4 5 4 3 2 1. So this is one type of pattern in squares. Okay, now let us move to the next concept, that is, so what is palindrome? What is palindrome? Did you hear this word palindrome? So we know that in programming we will get this program. What is a palindrome program? So what is mean by palindrome means palindrome is a word or phrase or number word or phrase or number that reads same forward and backward, which reads same backward backward and forward means reverse. Okay, backward and forward means it will reverse. If you reverse that, we will get the same. For suppose examples for palindromes are examples where some examples are given here. See, mom. If you reverse it, it will get again mom. Yes or no? Yeah. Next, madam. Madam. If you reverse it, you will get the same madam. M-A-D-A-M. Madam. If you take one number 121, if you reverse it, again we get the 121. So this is a concept you should remember. What is palindrome means? Palindrome is a word or phrase. If we return backward and forward, the answer should be same. Okay. So what is a palindrome? Palindrome is a word or phrase that reads same forward and backward. That reads same backward and forward. So this is the concept of palindrome, right? So now we will move to the next concept. The next concept is Pythagorean triplet. Pythagorean triplet. So what is Pythagorean triplet? Do you have any idea about Pythagorean triplet? So it is Pythagorean triplet is nothing but I will give one number C here first. So I am taking one number that is 3 square and one more number that is 4 square. So what is the result here? 3 square is nothing but 9, 4 square is nothing but 16. So if you add them, we will get the 25, right? So this 25, what is 25 square root? The square of 25 is 5 square. We can write the 25 as 5 square, right? So here you can observe that number 3 square plus 4 square is equals to 5 square. For suppose 3 is equals to A and this 4 is equals to B, then 5 is equal to C. So here what is the derivation I got here? A square plus B square is equal to C square. Okay, A square plus B square is equal to C square, where A, B, C are Pythagorean triplet. So can you say now some Pythagorean triplets? So here 3 comma 4 comma 5 are Pythagorean triplet. One more triplet is here. See now. For suppose I am taking here 5 square plus 12 square. So what is the 5 square actually? 25. Then what is the 12 square? 144. Then what is the sum here? 130. Sorry. What is the sum here? What is the sum here? 169, right? Yes, 169. So can I write as 169 as 13 square? Yes. So here A is equals to 5 and B is equals to 30, 12. So then C is equals to 13. So here Pythagorean triplet is, what is our Pythagorean triplet? That is 5 comma 12 comma 13. Okay. So this is about Pythagorean triplet. Now we are going to find successive numbers. So what are successive numbers? So find the numbers between two successive squares. See now. Find the numbers. Numbers means integers. Okay, find the numbers between two successive squares. Two successive squares. See here for suppose 1 square and 2 square. So 1 square, sorry, here I written something. Okay. For suppose take 1 square and 2 square. So 1 square is 1 and 2 square is 4. So what are the numbers in between 1 square and 2 square? 1 and 4, that is 2 comma 3. Okay, right? Next, 2 square and 3 square. What is 2 square is 4 and what is 3 square? It is 9. So then what are the numbers lies between 4 and 9? Those are 5, 6, 7, 8. So next take the number, another number 3 square and 4 square. So now what is 3 square? 3 square is 9 and 4 square is 16, right? So what are the numbers lies between 9 and 16? 10 comma 11 comma 12 comma 13 comma 14 comma 15. So now this is what, how many digits are here total, how many numbers are here? 2. Here total how many numbers are here? 4. Here total how many numbers are here? 1 2 3 4 5 6 6. So if you observe one logic here, you will get the answer easily. See here, what is the first base? So base of the first number is 1 here. If you what is we are doing square, right? So what is the base of the first number? It is 1. 2 into 1, 2. So now we are doing square, so I am multiplying with 2. What is the first base of the number? First base of the first number is 2, right? 2 to the 4. Here next one, what is the base of the first number? 3. 2 into 3, we will get as 6. Yes or no? Yeah. So did you understand the logic here? So you take any number, for suppose 9 square and 10 square. So what is 9 square? 81 and 10 square 100. Yeah. How many numbers are in between? So if you want right now, no, just do the logic. What is the logic here? Apply the logic here. What is the logic? 2 into base of the first number. Base of the first number. That's it. So 2 into, what is the base here? 9. So total numbers between 10 square, 9 square and 10 square are 18 numbers. That's it. If you ask anything, if you ask like this, what you find the numbers between 100 square and 101 square? Just do the simple multiplication. 2 into 100, that is equals to 200 is your answer. Are you getting? So this logic apply for successive squares, successive consecutive squares. Consecutive means one after another, 2 3 3 4 5 6. That is a consecutive manner. Okay, so when you apply this logic, it will apply for only consecutive numbers. Okay, so this is about the squares rough introduction. Thanks for watching. For more in detail introduction, watch our next video. Thanks for watching.